Deep in the heart of Borneo, where the air is thick with the scent of earth and the sounds of wildlife create a symphony of nature, lies a place of extraordinary beauty and wonder, a hidden gem that beckons adventurers and nature enthusiasts from around the globe. Gunung Mulu National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a testament to the power and majesty of nature. It is a place where dramatic limestone formations rise from the earth and powerful waterfalls cascade through the lush tropical forest, creating a landscape that is both awe-inspiring and humbling. The park is a paradise for explorers and nature lovers alike, offering a myriad of trails that wind through dense jungle, leading to breathtaking vistas and encounters with exotic wildlife. It is home to towering limestone cliffs that have stood for millennia, ancient rainforests that teem with life, and a vast network of caves that hold secrets of the Earth's geological history. Gunung Mulu National Park is a sanctuary of biodiversity, where the air is alive with the calls of colorful exotic birds, and the forest floor is a tapestry of diverse tropical flora and fauna. It boasts a staggering array of plant and animal life, each species playing a vital role in the delicate balance of this ecosystem. It is a place where adventure and tranquility intertwine, where one can paddle down serene rivers or rest in the cool shade of the jungle, feeling a deep connection to the natural world. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer magnificence of Gunung Mulu, a place where every turn reveals a new wonder, and every moment is a chance to marvel at the beauty of nature. The park is named after Mount Mulu, the second highest mountain in Sarawak, a towering peak that challenges climbers and rewards them with breathtaking views. Gunung Mulu National Park is a testament to the Earth's geological wonders, with its impressive limestone karst formations and intricate cave systems that reveal the layers of our planet's history. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey to this enchanting destination, where the beauty of nature is preserved and celebrated, and every step is a discovery of the wonders of Gunung Mulu. Gunung Mulu National Park is renowned for its extraordinary cave systems, some of the largest and most impressive in the world. These subterranean labyrinths have been carved over millions of years by the relentless forces of water and time. The caves of Mulu are not merely geological formations, they are ecosystems unto themselves. They support a delicate balance of life. Strange and wonderful creatures have adapted to the darkness. Among the many awe-inspiring caves in Mulu, one stands out as a true marvel of the natural world: the Sarawak Chamber. This colossal underground chamber is the largest known cave chamber by surface area on Earth. Its dimensions are staggering, stretching over 600 meters in length, 415 meters in width, and 80 meters in height. It is so vast that it could comfortably accommodate several jumbo jets. Imagine standing in a space so immense that the largest commercial aircraft seem like mere toys. To stand within the Sarawak Chamber is to experience a profound sense of insignificance in the face of nature's grandeur. The chamber's walls rise like ancient sentinels, and the ceiling seems to stretch into infinity, making one feel like a tiny speck in the grand tapestry of the earth. The sheer scale of this subterranean void is simply breathtaking. Every step taken within its vast expanse echoes with the whispers of time, telling tales of geological processes that have shaped this wonder over millions of years. The Sarawak Chamber is not just a cave, it is a testament to the incredible forces of nature, a silent witness to the Earth's dynamic history. Exploring its depths, one can't help but feel a deep connection to the planet's ancient past, a reminder of the power and beauty that lies beneath our feet. Two other notable caves in Gunung Mulu National Park are Deer Cave and Lang's Cave. Deer Cave, named for the deer that once sought refuge within its depths, is home to millions of bats. As dusk descends, these bats emerge from the cave in a swirling vortex, creating one of nature's most spectacular displays. Lang's Cave is renowned for its exquisite limestone formations, which resemble delicate chandeliers and shimmering curtains. Section 5. The Pinnacles Reaching for the Sky. Rising dramatically from the rainforest floor, The pinnacles are a series of razor-sharp limestone peaks that present a formidable challenge to even experienced climbers. These towering formations are a sight to behold, their jagged silhouettes piercing the sky. Reaching the pinnacles requires a strenuous trek through challenging terrain. The reward for those who make the journey is an unforgettable view from the summit. Section 6. Biodiversity, a Tapestry of Life. Gunung Mulu National Park is a biodiversity hotspot, home to an astonishing array of plant and animal life. The park's diverse habitats, from lowland rainforests to montane forests, support a remarkable variety of species. Among the park's inhabitants are orangutans, gibbons, and hornbills, as well as countless species of insects, reptiles, and amphibians. The forests of Mulu are a symphony of sound and color. Section 7. Trekking through time, trails, and adventures. Gunung Mulu National Park offers a range of trekking trails to suit all abilities. From gentle walks through the rainforest to challenging climbs to the summit of Mount Mulu, there is an adventure for everyone. Guided tours are available for those who want to explore the park's wonders with expert guidance. Whether you are an experienced hiker or a first-time visitor, Gunung Mulu has something to offer. Section 8. Conservation, protecting a global treasure. As a UNESCO World Heritage Site, Gunung Mulu National Park is recognized for its outstanding universal value. The park's conservation efforts are crucial for protecting its unique biodiversity and geological formations for future generations. Visitors to the park are encouraged to learn about the importance of conservation and to support the park's efforts to preserve this natural treasure. Section 9. Practical information and tips for visitors. Gunung Mulu National Park is accessible by air or by boat. The best time to visit is during the dry season, from March to October. Accommodations within the park range from basic hostels to comfortable chalets. Visitors are advised to bring appropriate clothing and footwear for trekking, as well as insect repellent and sunscreen. Section 10. A Journey to Remember, the Magic of Mulu. A journey to Gunung Mulu National Park is an unforgettable experience. Nestled in the heart of Malaysian Borneo, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a treasure trove of natural beauty and biodiversity. As you step into the park, you are greeted by a symphony of sounds from the rainforest, a prelude to the wonders that lie ahead. It is a journey into the heart of Borneo's natural wonders, a place where adventure and tranquility intertwine. The dense rainforest, teeming with life, offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. The peaceful rivers that meander through the park provide a perfect backdrop for reflection and relaxation. As you trek through the jungle, each step reveals a new marvel, from exotic flora to elusive fauna. From its colossal caves to its towering pinnacles, Mulu is a testament to the power of nature. The park is home to some of the world's largest and most impressive cave systems, including the famous Deer Cave and Clearwater Cave. These subterranean wonders are a sight to behold, with their intricate formations and vast chambers. The pinnacles, sharp limestone formations that rise dramatically from the forest floor, offer a challenging yet rewarding climb for adventurous souls. And the waterfalls, cascading gracefully through the park, add a touch of magic to this already enchanting landscape. Whether you are an avid explorer or a nature enthusiast, Gunung Mulu will leave an indelible mark on your soul. The breathtaking vistas from the viewpoints, the sense of accomplishment from conquering the pinnacles, and the simple joy of being surrounded by nature's splendor are experiences that will stay with you forever. As the sun sets over Gunung Mulu National Park, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, you will find yourself reflecting on the magic of Mulu and the unforgettable journey you have embarked upon.